Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried installing Linux with an NVIDIA GPU, you know the nightmare. Black screens, broken drivers, hours of terminal commands just to get your RTX card working properly. But in 2026, it's a whole new world. NVIDIA's proprietary drivers are more stable than ever, and some distros now ship with them pre-installed or one-click easy. No more headaches. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 Linux distros that are the most compatible with NVIDIA drivers, perfect for gaming, AI, content creation, or just daily use. These are the ones that actually just work out of the box. If you're switching from Windows or tired of fighting drivers, stick around till the end. I'll also share my number one pick for most people. Let's dive in. Quick reminder, Linux's open source Nuvo driver is okay for basic stuff, but for full performance, ray tracing, DLSS, CUDA for AI, or high FPS gaming, you need NVIDIA's official proprietary drivers. The good news is these top distros handle the proprietary drivers automatically. No manual .run file downloads or kernel headaches. Starting at number 5 is Kashios, an Arch-based powerhouse built for modern high-end hardware. It ships with proprietary NVIDIA drivers pre-installed, plus a custom kernel optimized for the latest CPUs and GPUs. Perfect if you have a brand new RTX 50 series or 40 series card. It's insanely fast with cutting-edge performance, great for gaming, plus productivity, though not ideal for older hardware before 2014. Best for power users and enthusiasts who want bleeding edge speed. Number 4 is Mangaro. This user-friendly Arch-based distro makes NVIDIA set up ridiculously easy thanks to its MHWD hardware detection tool. It auto-detects your GPU and installs the exact right proprietary driver with a single click. Rolling release keeps your drivers fresh. It's super customizable with a great community and stable enough for daily use, though you might see occasional update hiccups if you're not careful. Best for people who want Arch power without the Arch pain. Number 3 goes to Garuda Linux, another Arch-based beauty that's gaming optimized and NVIDIA friendly right out of the box. It comes with proprietary drivers pre-configured, plus tons of gaming tweaks, BTRFS snapshots, and a stunning Dragonized edition. Beautiful out-of-the-box experience and excellent gaming performance, though it can feel a bit bloated if you don't customize it. Best for gamers who want style plus performance. Number 2 is a tie between two Fedora-based gaming beasts, Nobara and Bazite. Nobara, by the creator of Proton GE, has dedicated NVIDIA installation images, drivers are ready to go, plus game mode tweaks, custom kernels, and anti-cheat fixes. Bazite is the immutable SteamOS-like distro that works flawlessly on desktops, handhelds, and even has built-in NVIDIA support. Atomic updates mean your system almost never breaks. Both are pre-tuned for gaming with excellent NVIDIA plus Proton performance and super stable. Bazite is more console-like with less traditional desktop feel. Best for serious gamers and Steam Deck users. And my number one pick for 2026 is PopOS from System 76. They literally ship a dedicated NVIDIA ISO that installs the proprietary drivers automatically during setup. Hybrid graphics on laptops, handled perfectly with smart power profiles. It's based on Ubuntu, so it's rock solid stable, but with modern tweaks that make it perfect for gaming, AI. CUDA works instantly, AI, and everyday use. Easiest NVIDIA experience on Linux, excellent for laptops plus desktops, and System 76 support. GNOME desktop, but you can switch to whatever you like. Best for 90% of people, beginners, pros, gamers, everyone. Quick comparison. Want the easiest setup? Go with PopOS. Want pure gaming? Try Bazite or Nobara. Want beginner-friendly plus familiar? Linux Mint or Ubuntu both have the additional drivers tool. Want maximum performance? Kashios or Mangaro. Pro tip, always download the NVIDIA-specific ISO when available. After install, open additional drivers or the distro's hardware tool and make sure you're on the latest recommended proprietary driver, usually 560 plus series in 2026. For Wayland users, the newest NVIDIA drivers 555 plus finally fixed most issues, so go for it. So there you have it, the top 5 Linux distros most compatible with NVIDIA drivers in 2026. No more driver drama. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. Pop_OS, Buzzite, or something else. Also tell me your GPU model so I can make more targeted videos. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Linux plus NVIDIA content, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Links to all distros plus my recommended NVIDIA ISO downloads are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome and game on.